Okay, this is my Landcruiser 2017 VX. I just installed some driving lights on. It was supposed to be a plug and play kit with the wiring, and it has not turned out to be that way. There was a part or a connection missing from the kit. But these hardcore lights, these are 7-inch, they're very well made. But the cable is in behind here. And the way in is under the wheel arch on the right hand side through this bash plate. So I'm about to take that off and see what we can find. This is the piggyback cable, hardcore, the same brand as the lights that I've installed. And as you can see, it says there, suits Toyota Landcruiser 200 series, plug and play. On the back, specifically designed for Toyota Landcruiser 200 series with factory LED headlights. Okay, the bash plate is now out. It's actually 6 screws holding it in. There's the 4 across the bottom here. There's one up here on the bull bar, and there's one on the underside of the bull bar just here. The first plug you're likely to come across, this fellow here, it actually goes to your ultrasonic sensors. So that's not the one you want. The one, well, in my case, that I needed is further up behind this guard here, which I've managed to get a hold of and separate. And there we have a plug that matches the supplied piggyback. Okay, we've made the connection. They have a huge amount of excess wire there. I didn't use the switch that came with my kit. See, we have a proper light switch for driving lights. So give that a push, okay, the extra light comes on. Oh, yep, right. Now here's the plate and the bolts once removed. Be a good idea to give these a bit of a clean up before they go back in. They're a bit muddy. All these are a bit muddy. A bit of a spray lube. There we go, a Torx screw. This is the driver, one of these star type bits. And this one is a T27. That's a T27 bit to get the screws out.